Gather round, it's time for a tale about a cool Californian surfer, an Italian war hero, and OJ. Back in the 1950s, when Snapchat didn't exist yet, young men spent their time chasing and riding waves. One of them was Tom Harvey. No, not him. Less Bane, more Mary Jane. One day, Tom lost a surfing competition and drowned his sorrow with his favorite mix: 3 parts vodka, 1 part Galliano, 6 parts orange juice. Wait, what's Galliano? Glad you asked. It's a sweet herbal liqueur from Tuscany, named after an Italian soldier, Giuseppe Galliano. After Tom Harvey downed that cocktail, he banged his head against the wall to express his anger, which may very well have been a precursor to heavy metal. Hence the name Harvey Wallbanger. Fun fact, Harvey Wallbanger is also what the British Special Forces called the C4 explosive. But, like Hercules and free Wi-Fi, this story is just a myth. The drink, the name, and the tale were invented in the 70s by a savvy marketing man called George Bednar, who had the task of selling an unknown Italian liquor to Americans. His rad new cocktail with Galliano was fresh and cowabunga, and a maverick replacement for Bloody Mary as a brunch drink. He even asked a graphic artist to draw the sandal-wearing surfer dude. The drink was a bestseller for a few years, but didn't actually popularize Galliano. Naturally, there were spin-offs of the cocktail: Whipped Banger with whipped cream vodka, Whiskey Wallbanger with whiskey, and Freddy Fudpucker with tequila. Careful how you pronounce the last one. Harvey Wallbanger, which is technically just a screwdriver with a touch of vanilla from Galliano, is perfect when you want something refreshing with a punch and a wink of something obscure. Surf's up and bonsai.